While the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is still an excellent foldable and one I highly recommend most buy, I'm excited today to unbox the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 to see what Samsung has refined this year. Of course, diving right into these two boxes, we have the typical Samsung recycled paper wrapping protecting our precious flips, folds, and accessories. Folding over the first set of items, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold standing cover with the included matching S Pen, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, which I may or may not unbox later in a separate video, and the Z Fold 4. Flipping over the other items, we have the Flip cover, another Galaxy Watch 5, and the Z Flip 4. I'm still undecided which of these I'll start testing first, but I'm excited that they both arrived same day nonetheless. Immediately slicing into the Galaxy Z Fold 4, first thing I noticed unboxing this is the box has changed from the Z Fold 3. Matter of fact, here's a quick comparison of the Z Fold 3 packaging to the new Z Fold 4 packaging. Accessories now hidden under the lid, not under the fold. Interesting change, still no charging brick while dropping several bricks of cash on this, but I digress. I initially ordered the gold, but then I swapped to this gray-green color, and I have to say right out of the box that I'm happy that I did. This looks incredible and much better than last year's Z Fold 3 in green. You still have that crease there on that inner display. I'm hoping to see that go away, especially considering Samsung makes all the other foldable panels for most companies, and we still have that crease here on the Z Fold 4. I do like the metal aesthetic here all around the Fold 4. Comparing it to the very matte Fold 3, you can see the subtle refinements of the overall design and build. As many have noted, Samsung has not changed a ton here, rather opting to refine, not further innovate, as they continue to dominate the foldable market, at least here in North America. Here is that standing cover case, by the way, with the S Pen included, which I did have to bust out the directions to figure this one out, sadly, as the kickstand can easily be removed and swapped for the pen case. Comment down below, though, on your thoughts on this case, but I quite like it. This case feels incredibly durable, yet doesn't add to the existing bulk build of the Fold 4. The S Pen is very snug in this case with no concerns of it sliding out and running away from you. I love the feel of this pen in hand, but I'm not one to really use something like this, so the kickstand will most likely be what I use with this case, but wanted to give you an idea of what the pen looked like on the back of the Fold 4. Flipping over the Flip 4, slicing it open, we have similar packaging to the Fold 4. The Flip 4 also refined from the Flip 3, but also looks so good in this matte blue. I absolutely love this color as well. Right out of the box, just looks stunning. The best refinement on this is inside with the larger battery this time around, which I'm looking forward to testing ASAP. Here's a quick look at the case though for this Flip 4 so you can kind of get an idea of what this looks like. And I have to say it looks pretty solid, giving you a ring there to hold the device when it is open, which it's pretty solid and durable, and you can remove it as well, which is really nice, so it's not always there. It looks pretty good, pretty solid. Let me know in the comments down below. Well, that's been the unboxing of both the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Fold 4. I can't wait to test each of these out, putting them both through their paces. Hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care and stay safe.